Hello and welcome back to our Vice Plus, where we explore the latest and greatest AI tools, bringing you the cutting edge developments in the world of AI art. Today, get ready to dive into the amazing world of Midjourney's Zoom Out feature. We are about to show you how this feature takes your creations to new dimensions, quite literally. So, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Chapter number 1, The Zoom Out Magic. Picture this, you've got an incredible upscaled image and you want to take it a step further without altering its core essence. That's where the zoom out option comes in. The mind-blowing feature lets you extend the canvas of your upscale masterpiece beyond its original boundaries. But guess what? The best part is that the original image remains untouched. The newly expanded canvas gets filled in using both the guidance from your prompt and the essence of the original image itself. This means more space for your creative genius to roam freely. Chapter number 2, Keeping it Square. Hold on to your hats, folks. Midjourney's Make Square feature is here to level up your non-square images. Say goodbye to cropping out important details. Whether you have a wide landscape or a tall portrait, Make Square adjusts the aspect ratio with finesse. And the emojis next to the button, they are your guides, showing you how your image will expand. It is like having your very own AI assistant, making your images perfect. Chapter number 3, Custom Zoom Your Way. Alright, this one's the cherry on the top. Let's talk about the custom zoom button. Imagine having the power to decide how much you want to zoom out on an image. Clicking on this button opens up a dialog box where you can input your custom value for the --zoom parameter. And hey, don't forget, you can play with the values between 1 to 2. It's like being a magician controlling the scale of your artwork with just a few clicks. Chapter number 4, Changing Aspect Ratio Creatively. Who's up for some artistic innovation? You can use --zoom 1 in the custom zoom box to do more than just zoom out. You can change the aspect ratio itself using the --AR parameter. This means you have the power to reshape your art without compromising on its quality. Let those creative juices flow. Chapter number 5, A Prompt Twist with Custom Zoom. Hold your horses because this is where things get exciting. The custom zoom feature isn't just about zooming out or changing aspect ratios. It is about transforming your prompt and breathing new life into your creations. Ever thought about tweaking your prompt before expanding your image? Well, with custom zoom, you can. Let's say your original prompt was a majestic castle. With the custom zoom prompt, you can change it to a framed picture on the wall and watch your artwork evolve in amazing ways. And there you have it, folks. Midjourney's Zoom Out feature isn't just a tool. It is an artistic journey that expands your horizons and lets your imagination run wild. From extending canvases to reshaping images and prompts, this feature is your key to unlocking a realm of endless possibilities. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into Midjourney's Zoom Out feature and take your art to soaring new heights. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow creators, and subscribe for more AI art adventures. Until next time, keep creating and keep innovating.